We got another cutting edge fireworks 200-gram cake. This one's got 15 shots. It's called Power Zone. Looks pretty sweet. And when I was shocked to open it up because I didn't know it was a fan, look at that. Those are all fanned, as you can tell. Middle, left, right. So I'm assuming I wonder if they're going to be 3 shots at a time or 1 at a time. I'm assuming since it's fanned, it's going to be 3 shots at a time. Let's see. The warning label. Oh, here it is. It's on the front. Didn't see it. Performance. Red, blue, white strobe, brocade ground, purple, green, white strobe, red coconut with white strobe, and sea blued and crackle chrysanthemums. So obviously it's got number 1 through 5. So those are probably going to be 3 shots each. Going to be pretty sweet to see. Went ahead and got a case of this again this year. So I got 8 of them. So we got 1 of them to shoot off, and I think 7 will probably go into my finale. Alright, we got Power Zone by Cutting Edge Fireworks. Good old fan cake. Alright, let's take a look. Before we get to the demo today, I just would like to say that I like this cake so much that I'm going to include 5 demos of it. The first 3 that you will see are ones that are just a single cake by itself. The last 2 are from my 4th of July show that I had. There will be 2 hardcores and a power zone in the first demo, and there will be 2 hardcores and 2 power zones on the second demo. So let's go ahead and get to them. Nice. Alright, we got another power zone. We got 2 hardcores and a power zone. There we go. 2 hardcores and 2 cutting edge power zones.